Schneider Electric participations at COP has become a tradition for many years. We are in this very important meeting in order to understand better the stakes, especially about climate change, and to discuss with other stakeholders to find the right solutions. For a company like Schneider Electric, to be an actor in a COP, it's a good manner to express how our solutions are key for the future and to reduce climate change. And secondly, it's a good place to discuss with many networks, very involved, and to understand how we can take this opportunity to better interact with other people, NGOs, other companies, states, and cities, for example. We were in some high-level roundtable, more than 20, to express our vision about energy efficiency, about flexibility at the grid, about smart grid, about access to electricity, and about corporate social responsibility and the manner that we interact with our people into Schneider Electric and with our partners, suppliers, and clients. The second thing is, during this COP, we consider that it's the best place to understand the data about the climate, about the future of the planet, and with this data to come back with the Schneider Electric teams to understand better what we have to decide, to innovate, to be an actor of the better future for the planet and society. Schneider Electric Foundation is involved in the COP. It's because to make sensitive the people, we need to interact with NGOs. This year, with the Schneider Electric Foundation, we had several events and actions. One of these events was with the Institut Français, with a very well-known Nobel Prize, French guy, and with some other artists to embark all the people in the COP understanding. The second thing is, with the Schneider Electric Foundation, we are able to build relevant partnership with some other actors, for example, with Ashoka, to organize a call for projects against fuel poverty. With this call for projects against fuel poverty, in Bonn, we have decided to support some inclusive entrepreneurs who are very involved to support the poor people to be able to go out fuel poverty and to have a better life. The question of sustainability, it's a question of the commitment of the state, the commitment of the company. For Schneider Electric, the big commitment is to become a neutral company in our ecosystem in 2030. But for each of us, when we are at the workplace and in our private life, we can decide to reduce carbon emission, we can decide to reduce water consumption, we can decide to have another manner to consume food, for example, to reduce our own footprint and to be a better actor, very committed for the future of the planet, for this generation or for the next generation. With this partner, we have a calculator in order to support each of us to know better their own carbon emission to reduce after this measurement. We have a COP each year. The last COP was 1 month ago in Bonn. The next will be in Poland. The COP the year after will be in Brazil. But between the COPs, we have many events to demonstrate our commitment and to show our solutions. But before the next COP, just in the beginning of December in Paris, we will have a big meeting, One Planet Summit, organized by the French President Emmanuel Macron, with the vision of make our planet great again, with a lot of interaction with state, country president, companies, and NGO.